Hello, dear listener. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 foods that can strengthen your heart and blood vessels. These foods are simple but incredibly powerful. Eating them regularly can lower the risk of heart disease and help you live a healthier life. 1. Fatty fish, a source of omega-3. First on the list is fish, especially salmon, mackerel, herring, and tuna, with cholesterol. It also contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect the heart from free radical damage. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons a day, used in salads or cooking, can make your heart and blood vessels much healthier. Fourth are nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. They contain heart-friendly nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats. Vitamin E prevents cholesterol buildup in the arteries, and magnesium helps keep your heartbeat steady. Research shows that eating nuts 4 times a week lowers the risk of heart disease by 37%. But remember, nuts are high in calories, so stick to a small handful per day. Fifth are berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and black currants. They are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which strengthen blood vessel walls, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol. One study found that women who regularly ate blueberries lowered their risk of heart disease by 32%. That's why fresh berries in summer, or frozen ones in winter, are an excellent choice for a healthy heart. Final conclusion. The top 5 foods that gradually heal and strengthen the heart and blood vessels are fish, a rich source of omega-3, leafy green vegetables, olive oil, nuts and seeds, berries. By adding these to your daily meals, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. And remember, a healthy lifestyle, regular physical activity, and medical checkups are the most important keys to keeping your heart strong.